Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. This week's Housemasters Assembly is all about respect, and respect is a value that we all hold dear. It's one that we are all taught from a young age, and it can be shown in different situations, such as respecting your elders, respecting positions of authority, respecting sports opponents, respecting your peers, and very importantly, respecting yourself as well. In the current pandemic that we find ourselves, whenever I think about respect and showing respect, the things that spring to mind are showing respect to people by how I conduct myself, and how I conduct myself in terms of wearing my face covering, social distancing, and in some cases maybe not seeing family or loved ones for long periods of time in order to keep them safe and to respect their health. There's lots of stories that I could have talked about, lots of examples of respect throughout history, etc. But unfortunately, a lot of media stories at the minute in recent times are focused on a lack of respect for people's cultures, for their beliefs, and sometimes as individuals, it's difficult to see how we can impact these topical issues and these serious matters. And sometimes the only thing we can do is influence the people around us, the people we come in contact with on a daily basis, and that's something that we should try hard to do. For most of us, our daily routine involves coming to school, obviously, and for myself and the boarding department, it extends further than that, and we live here as well as go to school here. I have the privilege of living here with my family. I have the privilege of raising my two young children in a boarding environment, something that I'm very thankful for. My kids get to grow up with people from all different nationalities and different cultures and backgrounds, and that's something that will benefit them hugely. And it is a real environment of respect, and there's many examples of that, from helping us in with shopping to picking things up that my children drop, and it's ongoing, and it's something that we hold very dear in boarding, and something that we promote on a regular basis. So the best thing I thought was to let the boys tell you how important respect is in boarding and how it's shown on a daily basis.
So in boarding, we show respect by respecting everybody's background and culture, and we respect their thoughts and their privileges. That's it.
It's important to respect each other, to have good relationships between the pupils, house mothers, and boarding staff.
So the respect in boarding is to respect other people's property, no matter in private property or the school facilities. We should be proud of what we have, and we should respect other people's property by asking for the permission if you want to use it, and cherish what we have in boarding.
We treat others as we want to be treated ourselves.
We have around 37 different cultures with him in boarding, and we respect all of this. Tenemos 37 culturas en el boarding y respetamos todas ellas.
Respect's important in boarding because there's many different staff members who take care of us throughout the week, and they all have their own lives back at home with their own responsibilities. And the way we show this by wearing face masks, social distancing, and hand sanitizing our hands, and make sure there's always surround people in the living spaces that have been provided.
We show respect by being kind to each other and listening to one another. Wir sind nett und hören einander zu und zeigen dadurch Respekt.
Well, respect in boarding is very important because we are 150 pupils living in two boarding houses, and basically everyone has to respect each other's privacy or nothing works. So I think that respect is really important in boarding because we have to value everyone's privacy.
Okay, thanks to the boys for speaking, and thank to you all for listening, and please remember to continue to show respect by wearing your face coverings and following the guidelines that are set out. Stay safe.